Expeditions is a UNESCO citizen science initiative collecting marine water samples for the analysis of biodiversity. The aim is to empower UNESCO Marine World Heritage Sites in monitoring marine biodiversity using this innovative new method. As we will show you now, collecting eDNA with the sampling kits is easy and doesn't disturb the environment in any way. Due to the innovative method, samples can be taken in remote places without access to laboratory equipment and without the need for diving. Each sampling kit contains gloves to ensure clean sampling, a tube for collecting a salinity sample, a sample bag for collecting the water, a syringe to manually filter the water, the filter that collects the DNA, and a preservation liquid that ensures the DNA will remain intact during the sampling day and shipping. Before you start sampling, open the sample registration app and take out the sample information sheet. In the app, click on Add Sample. Add the unique sample ID provided in the sampling kit to the app. When you are ready, click on Get Location on the bottom of the page and the app will automatically save the coordinates of your location. Likewise, write down the same sample ID, location and time on the provided sampling sheet. As the first step, take a small water sample for salinity. Then, record the temperature of the surface water at your site with the provided thermometer. Lower the thermometer sensor in the water and wait for the value to stabilize. Write down the value in the app and on the sampling sheet. Do not submerge the device. It is easy to contaminate DNA samples. Therefore, for the sampling of eDNA, it is very important to work in a clean manner. Wear gloves throughout the sampling and avoid touching anything else than the sampling materials, especially your face. Take the sample bottle attached to the expandable rod, rinse 3 times with the site water. Prepare the sample bag by opening it and placing inside the plastic container for support. Collect approximately 2 liters of water into the sample bag, so fill the sample bottle twice. Remove the filter and syringe from their clean packaging carefully. Attach the filter to the syringe. Immerse the lower end of the filter in the water in the sample bag. Filter by sucking in water. Discard the water outside of the sample bag by pushing it out from the syringe. The valve ensures the correct direction of sampling. Count the number of times that the syringe is filled, the amount of water that is filtered, either in the app or on the sampling sheet. Keep filtering continuously with an aim for filling the syringe 25 times. Depending on the water at the site, the filtering will slow down and the filter can clog before you are done. Keep filtering even when it slows down by keeping the plunger of the syringe out and allowing the syringe to slowly fill with water. If the water comes out very slowly or not at all, the filter is clogged and you can stop. Remember to count the amount of water filtered in total. When you have filtered 25 times and/or the filter is clogged, you are done filtering. Now you can prepare the filter for shipping. Remove the filter from the water sample. Remove remaining water in the filter by filtering through air until no water is left. The next step should be done with care, preferably by an adult, still wearing gloves and wearing protective glasses. Remove the filter from the large syringe. Take the small syringe with the preservation liquid from the sampling kit. Remove the cap from the small syringe and add it to the outlet or the top part of the filter. Attach the small syringe to the inlet or bottom part of the filter. Carefully push all of the preservation liquid into the filter. Pull out the plunger of the small syringe to relieve pressure in the syringe. Remove the small syringe carefully. Close the filter with the second cap provided in the sampling kit. Take the 3 provided stickers from the sampling kit and add 1 to the filter, 1 to the salinity sample, and 1 to the sample sheet. Collect all of the used materials, including the sample sheet, back into the bag where the sampling kit came from. Make sure that the sample ID is the same on the sample sheet, the filter, and the salinity sample. Save the collected sample information in the app by pressing Save. The sample information will be automatically saved, or in the case you do not have internet access, it will be uploaded once your phone establishes a connection.